Meaning of forked lightning.
Forked lightning.
Forked lightning.
Forked lightning.
Forked lightning. Forked lightning is a term used to describe a type of lightning that appears as a jagged, branching electrical discharge in the sky. The term fork refers to the shape of the lightning bolt, which resembles the tines of a fork. This type of lightning is typically associated with thunderstorms and can be very dangerous, as it can strike objects on the ground and cause fires, injuries, or death. When forked lightning occurs, it creates a bright flash of light and a loud thunderclap that can be heard for miles around.